Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and you little pretty poppets. Join me from inside a London church tower, bell tower. This isn't a permission visit. To climb past all that lot to get in, which I found to be quite unfair, really. I mean, not very sporting of them, is it? I'm taking it nice and slowly with this one because it's very tall. I will reveal its location in the description. And we're into our first area. Here's the bell pull that goes through there. And the boiler pipe for the thing for this goes right out. Oh, I didn't know about this one. Oh, the leads of the roof. Did you know? I honestly didn't know about this one. I only know about the door and the bell tower at the top of it. Just think these are safe to walk on, aren't they? Yeah. Got some pretty decent views from up here. The Shard. Down into Queen Victoria Street. Our main port of call is higher up. Bow Lane down there. Locked back up. Locked and bolted. Ah, excellent. Now I've regained my breath. Back out and up again. Another area, and I was warned not to go in this one because of the floor, so go in it I shall not. the bell room. Some of the old pews, look. They're the poor men's benches, those ones. Now we have the convenience of a rope to pull our fat and overweight selves up with. Well, mine anyway. Still there then. Poor thing. We are here. Light switch. There we are. Gosh. And there we have the beautiful St. Paul's in front of us there. Well, this isn't alive anyway, so we are on top of the church of St. Mary, Aldermary. The old church bell's going. It's the old Billingsgate fish market over there. Looking right far out. Over towards Greenwich and way beyond. That church we just looked at, by the way, is the Dick Whittington Church, St Michael Paternoster Royal. And there, look, in the middle, is the globe, Shakespeare's globe. La Shade. Right. We'll be having a part 2 for our TikTokers and Instagrammers. If you're on Facebook, just carry on watching. The cheese grater and other such monstrances. It's better, isn't it? It's a long way down, 287 feet to be precise. Right, oh. Welcome back to part 2 if you're on Instagram and TikTok. Yeah, it's a long way down there. 287 feet to be precise, I believe. I'm not very fond of heights. Sorry about that. Pressed the wrong button. How careless of me. We're on 10 times optical zoom now, so it shows you how high up we are. This is the Walbrook stream, and it's put there to mark one of London's forgotten or underground rivers, the Walbrook, which runs underground now. Hello, dude in yellow. Be handy if you could get yourself locked in this church on firework night, as long as you were assured of its opening in the morning, because you would have an absolutely brilliant bird's eye view. Cobwebs. And this is where we came in through. All fine and purty, y'all. How's everyone doing? Hope you're all having a good Sunday. Behaving yourselves. Behaving hardly or hardly behaving. Whichever the case may be. And we'll get some of our favourite views just as we go, before we go. So do not wish to get locked in a church on Sunday. Right. Well, I hope you guys and Girlingtons have all enjoyed that. And as I say, I hope you're going to have a cracking weekend. Take care all, and shall see you soon. You can join me for the journey down if you wish. I'll carry on recording. If not, you may leave us quietly, collect your things and leave in an orderly fashion. Goodbye, Ruth. I've got better with heights as time has gone on. I didn't used to be good with heights at all. I had to turn myself around. I have a horror of falling down one of these flights of round stairs, because you wouldn't stop until you hit the bottom. And that happened in Limehouse Church, St Anne's Limehouse, to a churchwarden. Mid-Victorian period, poor old fella. Because their clock has always had a lit dial. And he went up to light them and fill the oil lamps. Climbed up to the top, did his job. On the way back down, he fell. And they found him dead at the bottom of the stairs next morning. At 70 odd years old or something he was. The rope is gone now, or going. Bell room for the last time. The down journey's a lot better than the up, of course. It's going to get a lot steeper from here onwards. The room where men dare not go. Apparently that floor is not fit for anyone's weight, and I'm not skinny. And I don't fancy plunging 111 feet down into the church below. Why the holy service of Eucharist is going on. One, it would be embarrassing, and two, well, let's not go there. bottom now. Yes. Yes, we're here. Some villainous swine's done that on purpose to stop people like me from getting in and out. Gonna have to pause for a minute. Whew, done. And that, my dears, is where we were, right up there. So, I hope you've enjoyed the journey. So, shall now go and collapse for a moment in the churchyard. This is the next one I want to have a look in, is the crypt. Right, it's got a little churchyard. We're walking on to Bow Lane now. This is Bow Lane, and the spire there is Bow Church. We saw that one from while we were up the top, but it's confusing with so many different churches around, which one's which. And the spires of a lot of the Wren churches look the same. And we are at one of my favourite historical Londoners' graves, Surgeon Percival Pott. He was a surgeon and Fellow of the Royal Society, surgeon at St Bartholomew's Hospital. Was renowned for his kindness and tenderness to the patients, particularly the poor ones. Apparently, quite often would foot the bill for the medical whatevers for a poorer person. He was a pioneering man in his own day, and that pioneering thing came from his own misfortune. He had a break in his leg when he was younger, a compound fracture. And in those days, the recourse treatment for that was to amputate, and he wouldn't have that. So he got another surgeon to help him clean and dress the wound. They did that, and he treated the compound fracture himself, and it healed. And from that knowledge, he learned how to save the limbs of many, many other people. He was also the first person to link an occupation-linked disease. So an occupation could give you a disease. He was the first person to discover and prove that, and the disease was chimney sweeps cancer. So yeah, that's St Mary Aldermary, and you've been to the top and to the bottom. So I hope you all enjoyed your tour. Thanks for watching, and hope you all carry on having a great Sunday.